Okay, so since number 3 was a multiple choice question, there are more ways to answer it than the conceptual way that we just did. So a way that would involve guess and check, we know that our interval is x bar plus or minus 14.7. And we also know that x bar is 660. So the interval is 660 plus or minus 14.7. So if we do the addition and the subtraction to see what the actual interval is, we get a 645.3, a 660 minus 14.7, to a 674.7, which is 660 plus 14.7. Okay, so how is this useful? Okay, we know that in the situation that we're in, when the population standard deviation sigma is known, especially when we start with a normal distribution, then what we're finding is a z-interval. So to get into that in the calculator, I press Stat, go over to Tests, and z-interval is my option 7. So make sure your input says stats. Sigma should be 30 in this question. X bar is 660. N is 16. And the first option has an 80% confidence level. So if we go to calculate, right here my answer in the parentheses says 650.4 to 669.6. So that's not the same as the interval that I was given, so 80 is not the answer. The next option is 90, so again I go to Stat, Tests, z-interval, and all I have to change is the confidence level. If I change that to 90, what I get is a 647.7 to a 672.3. Okay, that's closer but not exact, so that's probably not the answer. Okay, let's try 95%. Oops, wrong thing. Again, we go to Stat, Tests, z-interval, 95%. Okay, so the calculator told me the 95% confidence interval is 645.3 to a 674.7. Okay, and this is exactly the interval that I was given, which means that the answer is 95%, and I'm not even going to check the 98% because I already have the exact answer.